there, today I'll talk about roundups. Roundups can create SEO friendly products research that earns you affiliate commissions from Amazon and AppSumo. That's mean if you are a affiliate marketer or blogger, then this tool or this software best for you because earn more affiliate commission with this tool. If you continue hustling and busy another work, then this tool best for you because your setup some click easily create your blog article or review article and post your WordPress website because integration Amazon advertising API and WordPress and alternative copy AI Jasper best for bloggers, influencers, marketers and many more. This time is tool listed in AppSumo marketplace with lifetime deal in $59 only and 65% off or discount. $59 you can purchase and lifetime access. And there many tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 1 $59. Here you can see many options. License tier 3 $169, tier 3 $499. There if you need select your tier and buy easily. And this tool is main part is 60 days money back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. That means you can easily use 60 days 2 months and you can fit your business or your marketing, then continue using. Otherwise you get money back. I think this tool best for you if you are a blogger, affiliate marketer, and if you have a blog website, review website or affiliate website, then some clicks easily you can create review article, blog article, video and many more options and hassle free life. Okay, so you can use this tool roundups 60 days and fit your business or your personal life, then easily continue or otherwise you can money back. Okay.